Welcome to our post-game press conference. We're joined by our player of the game, Junmar Fajardo, running coach George Gallo. Coach, I'll start with you. First game of the conference was a tight game, just a 4-point win against Phoenix. Just your comment on how this game was played out. Even up to the last minute, Phoenix had a chance to send it to overtime, and how your players execute.
Well, now this is kasi our first game, so kasi we rested since all Filipinos, so we were kind of rusty, but in the end the guys just wanted to win, and then they just placed extra effort, especially in the last 5 minutes when Phoenix was trying to catch up. So we just played really hard going to the last 5 minutes of the ball game, which let us win. That gave us the victory today.
Coach, I think less than 2 minutes of the game, up by 1 lang kayo until CJ Perez made that 4-point shot. How big was that, and the overall factor of this 4-point shot?
Yeah, it definitely lifted us. It gave us a stronger spirit going down on defense, kasi medyo we were pressured because if CJ missed that, we would be down by 1, so the pressure will be there, trying to stop them. So the CJ hit that big shot at the right time, and about the 4-point shot, it really makes the game exciting. So if you're down by 4, as what I said, if you're down by 4, last 10 or 8 seconds, you still have a chance to tie the ball game.
Thank you, Coach George. Now, Junmar, so far this conference, ito yung unang local to be named as best player of the game. 37 points, 24 rebounds. First half, hindi pa masyadong gumagawa yung effort nyo. Pero ikaw, yung kumarga sa team na to. Just talk about this role that you're playing in this conference.
Una, kamusta ang nagbigat na sa Singapore. Ang ganda yun naman kasana ang bola ng execution namin. May mga tira kami na bila pumapasok, pero maganda naman yung pasana namin. Maganda yung execution namin, pati lapses. Pero yung import namin, sobrang galing nga. Hindi siya yung flashy na import, pero sobrang effective yan. Yung kailangan namin. And routine na namin yung panalo. So, crucial pa sa amin.
Sabi na nila, Junmar, itong 4-point shot, merong pros and cons pagdating sa'yo. Because on one end, maluwag yung depensa sa paint, but on defense naman, kailangan mo mag-extend. Kamusta playing your first game with all the innovations in the rules?
Okay naman. Hindi naman siguro all the time. Hindi na lang coach yung mga players. Siguro sa individual yan. So, and tinutulungan naman ng mga teammates ko, nila coach yung ano yung dapat gawin sa depensa. Kung na-shoot yung tira ng garapan, tinutulungan nila ako coach kung ano yung adjustment.
And what shall we do for his 4-point shot? He's practicing that a lot in practice.
Magulat kayo.
Asya, sir.
I now open the floor to questions from the media. Anyone?
Sorry. Nahiya tuloy. Questions? Go. For you.
Coach, also CJ also did well.
Sorry?
CJ, 4-point shot na was that an opportunity? Kung may chance pa,
I think he took that shot kasi sa dying seconds na lang ng game. I think it was the last 5 to 4 seconds. So he had the shot. And anyway, as what I said, Junmar, CCJ, they also practice that in practice. So it's nothing new to them.
Kung more sa practice, way different past conferences na parang group play siya na you have teams-wise and backcourt. How do you deal with this
for scouting wise, it's gonna be easier kasi you just play 5 teams and you just play them twice. And then so yun sa scouting wise, and you have more time to prepare because you're gonna face them twice.
Coach, kanina start yung posting press conference. Sabi mo, "Hey boy, what am I going to do without you?" So,
Hindi, kanta ko yun sa kanya.
8-time MVP, of course, nasa papel na yun. Pero in his performance today, did you expect anything less out of Jumar?
Jumar always plays hard. You know, he goes to the basketball. He plays 100%, and that's what's good about him. And all of his achievements are coming from all of that. That's what Jumar told me. You know, talent without hard work, there's no talent.
Hindi ba, alam mo ako pa, pero nabanggit mo kasi yung DO Awards na sana next year ulit. So,
Siyempre, kailangan namin mag-bounce back this conference kasi last conference na talo kami. Di namin yun. So, nandun na kami, hindi namin talo kami. So, bagong conference, bagong season. So, same goal pa rin. Mahabot sa finals, makuha yung championship sana. So, kaya coach one lang muna lalo. So, gagawin namin.
And that's it for our post-game press conference.
Great mo.
Go ahead.
Nabati kayo, Mama, Papa, Jay, Vance, Council Kipula, BBCU, Extension Company, sa lahat ng mga taga-Cebu, taga-Bilambahan, Mostela, Building, and Housega, Kraken and Jay Marwash. Also Kraken.
He's Tracker Cup. Don't forget to like.
Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Simon injury. Tapos si
Salamat.
sa first half.